Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Ahmad Lofi Azri bin Abu Bakar, and on behalf of Group 7, I will be presenting our project title, Electric Rice Cooker, done for the Computer Aided Design subject, code BNR 204274 for ABI. Our presentation today will cover 13 main parts, starting with the introduction, project background, objective and scope, followed by our references review, comparison, methodology, design process, and project design. We'll then walk through the 3D model views, design advantage, and practicality, and end with our analysis, discussion, and conclusion. This project was completed by 6 members of Group 7. The first, Avril Abigail, Syarani Iqbal, Muhammad Hassan bin Muhammad Nur Bantrang, Nur Mahmudah, Wilan Firdaus, and me, Ahmad Lofi Azri bin Abu Bakar. Each member contributed actively throughout the design, modeling, and documentation process. Now, I will talk about introduction. Computer-aided design is an essential tool in modern engineering, allowing designers to create accurate 2D or 3D models while reducing errors and improving product quality. For this project, our group chose the electric rice cooker because it's common household appliance made up of several components, making it ideal for demonstrating CAD modeling and assembly skill. The project includes parts such as outer body, lid, inner port, handle knob, control panel, switch button, and supporting feet. Using AutoCAD, we developed detailed technical drawings and 3D model to ensure clear resolution and accuracy. This project helped strengthen our understanding of engineering drawing standard, assembly concept, and practical CAD skills.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Mahmudah binti Muhammad Ihsan, matric number CN240006. We present the project backgrounds of electrical rice cooker for our projects. An electrical rice cooker is the common household appliance used to cook rice easily and efficiently. It's widely used in house and restaurant because it simplifies the cooking process and provide consistent result. This project used an electrical rice cooker as the selected our project computer aided design modeling. The rice cooker consists of several components such as the outer body and inner body, lid, handler, control panel, and switch button, and supporting feet. This part can be designed and assembled to form a complex product. AutoCAD software was used to create 2D and 3D dimension model of the rice cooker. The drawing include the orthographic selections and isometric view with the appropriate dimension and specification. For objective of project, 1. To design and develop 3D model of an electric rice cooker using AutoCAD software. 2. To produce complete technical drawing with the accurate dimension. 3. To apply engineering drawing standard and dimension technique in product design. 4. To assemble multiple components into a complete and functional system. 4. To enhance knowledge and practical skill in AutoCAD. For the scope of project, first, designing the electric rice cooker using AutoCAD software. 2. Creating individual components and assembling them into the complete system. 3. is producing orthographic, sectional, and isometric view with proper dimension. 4. is applying engineering drawing standard and CAD technique. 5. is focusing only on the CAD design visualization process without physical manufacturing and testing.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wilan Firdaus. Today I will present about the reference review. So the first one is the Darini ETL 2025 ITJ Advanced Manufacturing Technology. AI large language model can help create CAD design faster. It understands what the designer wants and helps with modeling still needs human checking for accuracy. Second is Search ETAL 2025 Interdisciplinary Teaching Approach for Geometrical Product Specification (GPS) in Technical Drawing. This paper looks at how to better teach engineering during standard GPS. It connects design, manufacturing, and quality control together, help students understand the dimensioning more clearly. And the third one is a Han ETAL 2035 Deep Learning Framework to automatically extract structured data from 2D engineering drawing. AI can automatically read and extract information from engineering drawing. This includes dimension, material, and tolerance. It saves time compared to checking drawing manually. And the fourth, Minango ETAL 2035 Framework for Integrating Assembly Process Information into CAD Models, validated by industry practitioners. This paper studies how to assemble information direct into CAD models. Industry experts confirm this method is useful. It helps guide how we assemble our rice cooker part in CAD. And lastly is the Generative AI and CAD Automation 2025 AI-based CAD automation for mechanical components under limited data. AI can design mechanical parts even with very little data. It quickly creates many design options, useful when there isn't much reference information available. Okay, after this, I will present about the comparison reference. For the first one is the Darini ETL 2035. For the method or approach, integrating of large language model (LLMS) into CAD workflow. Key findings: LLMS can interpret design intent and assist the design to manufacturing process. And for the advantage, improve the feasibility, helps inexperienced designers and speed up workflow. And the second one is generative AI and CAD automation. For the method and approach, so it can generate AI-based CAD automation under limited data condition. And the key finding is to generate diverse and novel component design with less training data. And for the advantage, it can effective in data scarce environments and enables rapid design variation. The third comparison for the reference is the Search ETL 2035. For the method and approach, interdisciplinary teaching approach for geometrical products specification (GPS). For the key findings, it can exchange understanding of GPS across design, manufacturing, and metrology. For the advantage is it can strengthen knowledge of the dimensioning and tolerancing standard and support digital learning. And the fourth is the Han ETAL 2025 for the method or approach. It can hybrid deep learning using OBB detection and transformer based parsing. And for the key finding, it can achieve high precision, 94.77%, and F1 score is 97.3% for extracting engineering drawing information. For the advantage is it can reduce manual work and provides accurate structured data extraction. For the last comparison reference is the Minango ETAL 2025. For the method approach, It can survey-based framework for integrating assembled information to CAD files. For the key finding is in industry practitioners validate the approach and identify organizational challenge. For the advantage is to provide practical insight for the integrating assembled logic into CAD model.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sharani Iqbal bin Razali and my number matric is CN240285, and this is for the methodology. The first one is brainstorming. We discuss and generated ideas for the electric rice cooker design, and also we identified the main components required for our project. Second, reference research. We reviewed journals, articles, and the existing rice cooker designs to gather more information and obtain the references for our group project. The concept development, we evaluated the several design ideas and select the most suitable concept based on its functionality and its practicality. And the next one is 3D modeling and assembly. We created the individual components using the AutoCAD software and assembled them to form a complete our rice cooker design. And lastly is design verification and documentation. We check the final design to make sure the accuracy and the completeness, and we also documented the entire project for reporting and our project presentation. And this is our group project flow chart in making the rice cooker model. Next is our design process for our rice cooker model. There are four. The first one is mind mapping, to define our project objectives and to assign responsibilities to each of group member. Second is brainstorming, to generate and discuss different design ideas. Also evaluate the advantages and limitations of each idea. The third is concept development, and we select the most suitable concept among a few concepts that we found. Also to improve the design based on functionality and the appearance. And lastly is the product design itself, to create the individual components using AutoCAD software. Also to assemble all the components into a complete electric rice cooker model. For the project design for our rice cooker model, and we are a group of 6, so each group member was assigned a specific component for the model. One designed the top cover and handle knob. Nur designed the left and right handles. Hassan designed the outer body of the rice cooker. Sharani, which is me, designed the control panel and switch, the on-off switch for the rice cooker. Abigail designed the supporting leg, and Wafi assembled all the components together to form a complete 3D model of the electric rice cooker by using AutoCAD software.
Okay, kita ke part seterusnya, iaitu untuk metodologi proses. Penerangan design saya ni, design kita orang ni ada terbagi kepada 5 lah. Pertama sekali outer body, lepas tu side handle, lid cover and handle knob untuk kita buka tutup dia punya rice cooker nak buka tutup. Lepas tu ada control panel untuk kita on off dia. Lepas tu supporting feet lah, tahap support kita punya rice cooker tu lah. Kalau tak ada rice cooker kita memang ke lantai terus lah. Okay, seterusnya ni adalah design untuk isometric. Ada 2 jenis. Pertama sekali isometric view from the product design. Satu ni untuk 2D lah, 2D punya, nampak dalam semua. Dengan satu lagi untuk isometric 3D lah, nampak lah bahagian daripada pandangan depan, tepi, kanan dengan sisi. Okey, seterusnya kita akan pergi ke design advantage dan practicality produk kita orang lah. Kita orang punya advantage dia adalah heating system, sangat efficient lah. Kiranya elektrik tu jimat lah, dia cepat panas, senang nak masak nasi. Lepas tu energy efficiency memang jimat, dia ada rating 5 star. Lepas tu user friendly lah. Just nak on, tekan je button tu, memang budak-budak pun tahu pakai. Lepas tu compact design, dia sangat compact. Nak disorokkan contohnya dia kecil kan, compact. Nak disorokkan contohnya asrama-asrama yang tak boleh bawa perut nasi, kita nak bawa, kita boleh sorok dia lah sebab dia kecil. Compact design. Lepas tu easy manufacture and maintenance. Mudah je nak maintenance dia, sebab dia just simple je. Dalam tu ada coil lah, coil yang boleh panaskan perut nasi tu. Lepas tu dia automatic operation. Bila kita masuk nasi, kita basuh nasi, tak adalah automatic sangat. Nasi tu kita nak basuh juga, nasi kita basuh. Lepas tu kita just tekan on, bila dah masak kita off. Tak payahlah macam dulu zaman mak kita pakai periuk api kan. Lepas tu safety feature dia ada di-insulated kan lah so bila kita pegang dia, tak adalah kita short current.
Hi, my name is Avril Abigail Victor, number matrix CN240252, and I represent our part of project, which is analysis and discussion for our project item rice cooker. So number 1, all 5 project objectives were successfully achieved through structure AutoCAD modeling. Number 2, each component, outer body, inner pot, lid handle, knob, control panel, switch button, support feet, was modeled individually and assembled into one system. Number 3, challenge phase. So we faced that maintaining dimensional consistency and proper alignment between components. Number 4, resolve through repeated review using orthographic, sectional and isometric view element for even heat distribution. Number 6, front control panel ergonomically placed for ease of use. Number 7, project strength understanding of CAD principles, engineering drawing standard, and design methodology. Thank you. Let's move to the conclusion. So for this project conclusion, number 1, project successfully designed an electric rice cooker using AutoCAD. Number 2, all 5 objectives achieved: 3D modeling, technical drawing, drawing standard, component assembly, CAD skill development. Number 3, structure process followed by number 1, brainstorming, number 2, concept development, and number 3, detail modeling. So number 4, we also final design reflects a practical, safe, and efficient household appliance. And number 5, we also available hands-on experience gained in computer-aided design, widely used in engineering industry. Number 6, we also recommendation for future work context for actual fabrication and electrical circuit integration. Thank you. So that's all from our group. Thank you.